Everybody, I lost Robbie. This is a fireworks stand at Target. They have poppets for $2 and TNT rainbow sticks for $5. There he is. And they have round bloom flowers for $5. TNT disco turkey for $3. Here's smoke balls. These are $2. That's that turkey. Here's sparklers for $3. They have Mad Trolls for $5. And Sea Princess for $7.99. Glow Fuzz. They have a whole pack here for $34.99. This one is $19.99. They have different kinds. You can pick different kinds for $20. Here's one. Did I already see this one? Yeah. Okay. And these are at Target in Florida.